Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully the lighting isn't too crazy. It's very bright out right now, so I'm trying to find a good spot. Hi, welcome back to today's episode of Budget Beauty Buys. I am so excited to have you guys here with me. I'm gonna do a little shopping adventure with you guys today, and right now I'm actually at Nordstrom Rack. I didn't come here last week because they don't seem to get new stuff every single week like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I figured I would stop by here and see what they had because last time there was a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys here. We're also gonna go to maybe Burlington, definitely TJ Maxx, not sure about a Marshalls, but let's go. If you guys have never seen Budget Beauty Buys before, basically what I do is I go around to all the discount stores and I look for high-end makeup at really low price points. There's discontinued items, there's limited edition collections, influencer collections. It's tons of fun, and I am loving just hanging out with you guys every single week and talking about budget finds. It's the best. So thank you guys for coming along with me today, and let's go into store number 1, Nordstrom Rack, and see what we can find. Alright guys, there isn't too much different from last week. I found a MAC Dazzle Glass in Let's Boogie. This is $8.97. We have a MAC eyeshadow in Dare to Diva. This is also, well, this is cheaper, $7.97. Sea Stars eyeshadow, $7.97. This is Dear Teddy. They also have MAC Select Moisture Cover Concealer. This is $10.97. The shade is NW40. Urban Decay Velvetizers. So this is that powder, and this is $11.97. So I don't know if that's actually a good deal. I'll have to see. They also have some MAC lashes. These are $7.97. This is a Bobbi Brown lip pencil. This is Rose 7. And no price on this one. Alright, so Nordstrom Rack was not that great this week. So I'm stopping by Big Lots. Haven't been here in a long time. I want to see if there's any good like discontinued makeup in their beauty aisle and just check it out. So let's go into Big Lots. Okay, so they have a lot of Physicians Formula here. They have this Feather Brow Highlight Duo. This is $5.50. They have the Mineral Wear Powder. This is $6. They have this Gel Eyeliner in Champagne. This is $2.50. They have this little Maybelline set. I think this is from the holidays. It's $8. They have this Physicians Formula Exotic Arganwear Kit. This is $11. Wet n Wild setting spray, no price on this. They have this Physicians Formula Super BB set. This is $12. Oh my gosh, who remembers this? Revlon Airbrush Effect Foundation. It has like those sparkles in it. No price on this, but this is a total throwback. I remember buying this. Also, who remembers this? The Maybelline Master Contour. Pretty pricey though, $7.95 for this. I found these Rimmel Magnify Eye Primers. These are only $1.80. Don't remember these. They have these Wet n Wild eyeliners. It's like a brown shade, but no price on these. These what is this called? Oh, Super Stay Matte Ink. How much are these? No price on these. I really like these actually. I need to stop going into stores 20 minutes before they close. That would probably be better for me if I didn't do that. I'm at TJ Maxx, my favorite one, and let's go inside and do some budget shopping. Okay guys, this is new NARS Contour Blush in Paloma. This is $12.99, and then this looks like a different color, but it's out of the packaging. This is Melina. Alright guys, this is Paloma. Looks like it looks more like a contour shade. Okay, here's something interesting. I found the Laura Lee palette. I've never found anything from her brand. This is the Party Animal palette, and this is $16.99. Looks like someone swatched the purple and the blue, but really fun colors. Okay, they have a lot of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in warm medium, and then I also saw down here they had medium. So if you guys have been looking for that, looks like they're getting a couple more shades in. This one's also warm medium. What's this? We have a MAC Amplified Cream Lipstick in Bare Bling. Looks like a nude. This is $9.99. And then we also have another one. This is the Frost Lipstick in Icon. This is also $9.99. I love finding MAC lipsticks. We also have the Dazzle Glass. This is in Via Veneto. This is $7.99. We also have the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. This is $12.99. Shade is Blood Roses. This looks like another NARS blush. This is Ibiza. And it is swatched, but has like a shimmer to it. Of the Born This Way concealer. And then we have a Becca Luminous Blush in Snapdragon. This is $7.99. We have a bunch of the Too Faced Tutti Frutti highlighter sticks. These are $10.99. And what else? We have Albatross by NARS. I think this is, yeah, this is $9.99. And they do have more colors of the Born This Way concealer. They have medium tan and cool medium. We have the MAC and Aaliyah collab. This is the bronzing powder in Baby Girl. And this is $14.99. And then, oh, I had found this also at Nordstrom Rack, the MAC and Patrick Star Hot and Heavy. This is like a face powder. I found this, is it more here? It's $14.99 here. Found the Givenchy Mr. Light Instant Light Corrective Pen. This is $29.99. The shade is 3 Medium Toast. Found the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. I think this is the first time I found this. This is $21.99. And we also have tons of the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Compact Serum. The shades are Fair. And then we also have Light. These are $19.99. Good morning, guys. So it is filming day 2. That's why I look different, because I couldn't finish my filming yesterday because the store is closed so early on Sundays. So I'm at Burlington right now. It is Monday. It's 9 a.m., which for me is early. I woke up this morning and I was like, I can't see. Like, my eyes were crusted over. It was bad. But yeah, let's go into Burlington. Found a lot of good stuff here last time I came. And let's go see if we can find anything good. The first thing I found is the MAC Risk Taker palette. We were finding a lot of these at TJ Maxx for a while. No price, but let's see. It looks like there's another one right here. Oh my gosh, I love shopping on the weekdays, you guys. It is so nice. Flower. Oh, I used to have this. Or did I have this at one point? Yeah, Flower Zoom In Mascara in Brown Black. This is $3.99. I have an e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Spicy. This is $2.99. Alright, we found some Bobbi Brown. This is the Luxe Liquid Lip in Strike a Rose. This is $12.99. There's the color. Then we have Starlit Scarlet. This is a Luxe Liquid Lip Velvet Matte. So I think this one's a little bit different. Yeah, this one's High Shine. This one's Velvet Matte. Then we have Mod Pink and Uber Pink. Here is Mod Pink. Okay, then we have the Bobbi Brown Luxe Matte Lip Color in Nude Reality. I think this is the one I found a couple weeks ago. This is Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in Big Apple, $9.99. Here's the Crushed Liquid Lip. We also have the Crushed Liquid Lip in Mango Mood. This is $9.99. Box Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipsticks. This is That's Rich. And this is $7.99. Also found this set from Cargo. Never seen this before. It's called Miss Cargo Lip Kit. Looks like it has a little pouch and some lippy products. This is on clearance for $3.99. I love the Simply Jewels hair products. This is a little headband for $1.99. I have something else from her. It's really cute. This is interesting. I found this little Eva NYC flat iron, and this is $12.99. Eva NYC is usually at like Ulta. They're at Urban Outfitters, so that's a nice find. Okay, guys, so next stop is TJ Maxx, and I'm hoping I'm gonna go to another TJ Maxx after this. So let's go inside and hopefully see what we can find. Hopefully there's some good stuff. So it looks like they're gonna unload all their stock because everything's in these boxes. So I'm just kind of looking through. They have this Elizabeth Arden Forever Bronze in Deep 02. This is $6.99. Oh, you guys, look at this. I found a NARS Jet Setter Radiant Creamy Concealer Duo. This is $12.99. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. That is cool. Oh my gosh. First time ever finding the Radiant Creamy Concealer. What colors are this? Does it say? Okay, so So it says light to vanilla. Oh man, you guys, these are like pretty expensive a piece. And to get 2 in here, Travelers exclusive. This is really stinking cool. Here we go, you guys. Highly sought after NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Okay, found a couple more. These are gonna go stinking fast. These are not gonna last, you guys. Found an Anastasia eyeshadow in Enchanted. This is $3.99. Laura Geller Lip Silk Liquid Lip Trio in Fig, Magnolia, and Mulberry. This is $9.99. You guys, I finally found it. The Dream Glow Kit. I was online looking at some stuff and I found it. How much is it? Does it say a price? But oh my gosh, I can't believe I found it, you guys. This is so exciting. I also found this 3-pack of Elizabeth Arden Grand Entrance mascaras. This is $14.99. Then they have a bunch of the Sunwash Diffusing Bronzers in Laguna. This is $16.99. They have a little NARS Hardwired Eyeshadow in Argentina. This is $5.99. Aaliyah and MAC Bronzing Powder in Baby Girl. This is $14.99. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was a really fun little shopping trip. And honestly, one of my favorite things about today is that there is like no one in the store. It's Monday morning and it is like so blissful. I have not done budget beauty buys on a weekday in, I can't even tell you the last time, but going today, it was so peaceful and just like lovely. And I saw this store was, obviously you guys saw the boxes, they were putting out their stock, so kind of gave me a chance to look through before everyone else. And I know a lot of you guys asked me, when do they put out the new stock? You really have to ask, or like today I just kind of showed up and there it was. So just, you can ask them like, when do you get your shipments in, and I am sure they will tell you because they want you to come back and spend money. Another funny story before I show you guys like my haul and everything, that I got some good stuff. I was filming and I have like good hearing. I heard the lady, she's like, she's filming, and then the other lady goes, I know, I don't care. And I was like, yes. I was so happy. But it was funny, I heard the exchange and then the lady saying that, I thought was hysterical. Like, because honestly, who cares? Like, what does it matter? I'm not stealing anything, I'm a paying customer. And then I had the NARS concealer and the lady's like, can I see that? And I was like, I thought she just wanted to look at it. She was like, there's no price. I was like, yeah, there is. And she was like, I think they need to put a security tag on it. I was like, okay. I was like, if you have one, like, sure, put it on. And then I was like, I'm gonna buy it. Like, I didn't know what else to say. But anyways, I think this is gonna be it for today because I have to go back home because Nick needs the car. We share a car. So I wanted to get some filming in this morning. I'm gonna show you guys my haul. I still had a little bit left on my TJ Maxx gift card. So I used some of that, which was awesome because there was a lot of fun stuff that I wanted today. My loot for today, first thing I got is this, not beauty related, a big pink rock salt. I love this stuff. I go through this super quick. I usually get the Trader Joe's one, but this was bigger. This is 7.4 ounces. It was $3.99. I use this every day. So had to pick up that. I saw it randomly. Then I got the NARS Jet Setter Radiant Creamy Concealer Duo. You guys, this is a deal, let me tell you. So I paid $12.99 for this, and I actually got 2. I got 2 because I'm gonna probably sell this one. And I knew it was gonna not be there ever again. So if you see something, you guys pick it up. So these retail for $30 a piece. So that's $60. I think these are full size. I mean, I definitely think they are full size because when I pulled it out before, vanilla, it looks like it's the same shade. Yeah, you guys, this is a full size. Look at that. That is a freaking deal. That is probably one of my best finds. I got the little thing in here. Full size. So, $60 value. And I paid $13. That's why I got 2 of them. Good deal. I am so excited about that one. A little fashion item. I thought these were so cute, and this is a really good brand. Mark Fisher wedges. Mark Fisher I've always seen is kind of like in the $60 to $100 range. Like, shoes are pretty pricey. So, and I actually got a smaller size than I usually do. I got an 8. I was like, I'm gonna put my foot in these because they are so cute. I've been wanting a low wedge like this before, and I like that it was a good brand, and I love the color. It's like a baby pink, and I figure I could wear this. I have a baby shower I'm going to, so I thought these would be cute with like a little dress, and they're not too much. Like, I just don't like wearing things that are too high because I'm already tall, so I thought these were the perfect height. Love the scallop, love the little baby pink color, and I always wanted a pair of Marc Fisher shoes. So, and I didn't tell you guys the price. These were on clearance. It says compare at 75, but we know that's not real. I have to look at the actual price. I saw they're on sale at Macy's for $50. Oh, so I was like, okay, this is a good deal. The clearance tag says 25, so I got them for $25. Last item I got, the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. It was in a little plastic thing, which was nice actually, and I didn't know what the price was, but it was like in here. Tag $19.99, you guys. I thought that was really good. Not that I needed another highlighter kit, but I couldn't pass this up. It is sparkly and I thought it was so pretty. I have been eyeing this since they came out with it. Of course, the packaging is super fun, holographic, and this I believe retails, let me just double check what it retails for, $45. So I got a pretty good deal on it, I think. Thank you guys as always for watching. I hope you had fun shopping with me and finding some good deals. My question of the day for you guys is, have you ever found a really great pair of shoes at TJ Maxx or Marshalls? My favorites are the ones I found today, the Marc Fisher wedges. I usually don't shop in the shoes too much. I do like shoes, but I'm never really like searching in there. So I thought that was a really good deal. So let me know, comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.